So we are going to be mixing color 1001, 613 and 27. So we are mixing in equal quantities. So I went ahead and put all the three extensions together. I make sure I check the length so that they should be well placed. I didn't bother to stretch the edges because I know that everything will just be in place at the end of the mixing process. So let's start mixing. So I just continuously put them together, split them up, put it again together, split them up, put it again together. I continuously did this. While doing it, when I realized that the extension have tangled a bit, I take my comb and I comb it out, and then just continue mixing until I finished the mixing process. So far this is how the mix turned out to be. As you can see, you can barely tell the difference between the three color that I mixed together. So it is already looking very nice. So at this point I had to apply some oil to the extension. I continue mixing and combing until I had the desired mixture, like the entire extension became very smooth and looking very uniform. So I was satisfied with this result. I went ahead and then I combed it to make the hair look really smooth. Like what I said before, that I didn't stretch the edges before mixing because I knew that the mixing process will help me with the edges at once. So as you can see, that is the edges. This is how they look after mixing. So it's already looking very perfect. So this is another method you can use to stretch the edges of your extension when you want to use them to braid. So it's really looking very uniform, beautiful. I think I prefer to do my blonde wig like this, like mixing these three colors to achieve this. It makes the blonde wig more beautiful. So that is it. That's how the color turn out to be when you braid it. I love the result. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any other color suggestion, leave that in the comments below. Thank you.